So if you want to see how long it takes me to transform this roof from this to this, stick around to the end of this video. So this is our very first GRP installation here at Roof Scout, and it's also my first installation of a GRP system. I've had a few practice runs and I've been talking people through how to do it for a while now, so it's time to put my theory into practice. So we will be using our Res-Tec 1010 system today, just one of a few GRP systems we'll be featuring on this channel. So I've boarded the roof with 18mm OSB tongue and groove, and the battens are on, so it's ready to go. So the plan of action is get the GRP trims fitted, reinforce those trims with the bandage, apply the top strand matting, sand it down, give it an acetone rub, and then top coat it. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Let's go. It's a hot one today. I've just let this tack off and I'm going to get sand in and give it an acetone white ready for the top coat. By the way, if you're interested in how long this takes compared to other systems, check out the videos we've uploaded so far and subscribe to see more. Right, back on the clock, let's go. Okay, so it's taken a little longer than expected. The weather really hasn't helped. As a consequence of the heat, it's meant I've had to mix the resin and the top coat in smaller batches, meaning it's taken a little longer. Also, having another person on site would have helped massively. Someone to cut the mat in, mix the resin, pass the tools would have really helped. So if this was a house extension with a lot of details such as pipe work and skylights, it would have taken me even longer. If you are an experienced roofer and you've got any tips for me on how to get this job done quicker and more efficiently, let us know down in the comments. So this has been an interesting Roof Scout journey for me. I hope you've learnt a lot, as I certainly have. And if you want to learn more, don't forget to like and subscribe.